Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the launcher version and freeing at least 1 GB so the installer runs without interruption. Next, enable developer mode or grant the specific permissions the launcher needs. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, download the launcher package and verify its checksum to ensure integrity, because corrupted files cause silent failures. Make sure you have admin rights. Otherwise, the installer can't write system entries. Now start the installer and follow prompts to reach configuration. You run the installer and choose the easy profile to apply sensible defaults faster. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Then set default app paths, shortcuts, and an update frequency that matches your workflow, because these control where apps install and how often updates occur. After that, securely link any accounts or tokens the launcher will use and test a single launch to confirm connectivity. If the test succeeds, proceed to bulk import or add more apps, step by step to avoid cascading errors. You finish by running a full launch cycle, opening each app to confirm expected behavior and permissions. Once satisfied, enable auto updates and create a restore point or backup, because that lets you roll back quickly if something breaks. If something goes wrong, first restart the launcher service. If that fails, check the logs in /var/logs for clear error messages and timestamped events. If you see permission denied, reapply permissions and retest. That single troubleshooting step resolves most setup issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.